Assalamu alaikum. Dear friends and students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. I am Mubashir from my YouTube channel Multi Learning Platform. In today's discussion, we will talk about a highly important topic, and this topic is the difference between the two categories of noun on the base of gender. As we know that in the previous lecture, I have discussed the four types of noun on the base of gender, and they were masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender. Here we will talk about common gender and neuter gender. As you see that the definition of common gender is written here. We can define common gender as it is a type of noun that denotes a male or female gender, either a male or a female. In this way, it is used to describe, to show, to denote both types of gender can be used to show male gender or female gender. In this way, this type of noun is known as common gender, such as the definition is written here. Next, we will move towards neuter gender. As neuter gender, in the neuter gender, as the name shows, neuter means neither nor, not at all. It is type of noun on the base of gender that neither denotes a male nor a female gender. In this way, it gives a name towards things which don't have a male or female gender, which cannot be distinguished in male or female gender. This is neuter gender. When we move towards examples, the examples of common gender are also given here, such as student, such as people, such as person, such as parents. All these are common gender. Thief, orphan, baby, infant, cousin, etc. If we move towards the example of the neuter gender, we see that book, pen, room, tree, etc. All these are the types of neuter gender, examples of neuter gender. And book. Book cannot be distinguished in male or female gender. Such as pen. Pen also cannot be distinguished in female or male gender, such as room. And in this way, our today's discussion topic. In this way, if you want to see all my upcoming videos, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. God willing, we will soon meet in our next video lecture. Goodbye.